In high school, whenever there was a pizza party, I would ask my teacher for the leftovers to bring home. One time, I got the leftover pizza at lunch. Half a Little Caesars cheese pizza and 4 breadsticks. I was literally shaking with happiness. Pizza was such a rare occasion for me, and it was my absolute favorite food. I took the city bus to my college class with the box on my lap. It sat next to me during class. People questioned me. I didn't really know what to tell them. I was embarrassed. Another bus ride home, 2-mile walk to the front door. I had been waiting for this all day. I put it in the oven and called my brothers and sisters from their rooms. I was so happy to give them each a breadstick and a slice of pizza. I had carried that big greasy box around for 6 hours just for them. They were 4, 6, 8, and 10. I didn't get a slice, but I was so happy that they had some. We could never afford pizza, and it was a really special treat. The 6-year-old gave me her crust. That's my favorite part. I remember going into my room, sitting on my bed, a mattress on the floor with no sheets, and crying while I ate my crust. Now I remember that all my furniture was cardboard boxes. My nightstand, my bookshelf, my dresser, all boxes turned on their side or upside down. That was 4 years ago. I really want to go back and hug the 16-year-old me and say things will get better. Not soon, and not by much, but it will happen.
Post number 9.